Hello guys, welcome to the next video in Java for beginners. In this video I'm going to be teaching you about the command line arguments in Java. So sorry for the delay, had a really tough week, and yeah, let's get back to our lessons. This video is about command line arguments. So first of all, let me tell you what are command line arguments exactly. Exactly, I can't talk. So command line arguments are the arguments or the values that you pass on to your main function whenever you execute your Java program from the command line. So command line is basically the command from the CMD. So when you run your program, when you compile the program, then run it using the Java command from your command line, you can pass certain values or certain arguments as the parameters for the main function, and you can use those values in your program to do any kind of operations. So this can be used whenever you want to pass any arbitrary values based on your needs. So so that should explain why we have a string array as the only argument for the main function. So whatever the arguments that you pass in from the command line will be stored in this array. So let's just quickly demonstrate how to use command line arguments. So you can say system.out.println, and then you can print out the value of args of 0. So another thing you should remember is that whatever the values that you pass as the command line arguments, they are stored in this string array called args from the 0th position. So args of 0 will be the first command line argument that you pass. And let's just run this program and show you what exactly the command line argument. So here, whenever you execute a program using the Java command, Java space, the name of the class that contains the main function, and then you can pass in any argument. So this is one string. This is an argument that you can pass, and it prints out that argument. Similarly, you can also print out the second argument that's in position args of 0. So you can again have to compile that. We can security, then we can have another argument tech, security tech. So this is how you can use command line arguments. So the arguments that you pass whenever you execute programs from the command line. So these values are, this is one argument, this is another argument. So these are called as the command line arguments because they are arguments that you pass on from the command line. And you can also pass numbers 1000 and 45. So it prints out those values, but still you can't use them in your program as numerical values because the args is in string array, and everything that you pass, even the values 1000 and 45, are interpreted as strings. So there is a separate class in Java that helps you to convert the command line arguments from strings, or if they're numbers, it helps you to convert them from strings to numeric values like integers and so on. So I'm going to be teaching about the type wrappers and all the helpful classes in the later part of this tutorial series. So you can use these command line arguments and do whatever you want, handle operations inside your program, pass them as parameters to other functions, and so on. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.